Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Archicad tutorial how to change dimension unit. So you can change the dimension units, go to the option menu, click on project reference and there are two options. You can change for the working units, click, and here you can set for the units like into meter. If you don't, you can click OK to apply. Another, you can go back again to the option menu, go to project preference and then you can click dimensions to change the dimension unit. So in here you can set like into apply in millimeter, or the US architect will be set into feet and inch, or as builder. So as default will be set into a meter and you can change to plan millimeter. Click OK to change the dimension unit. Okay, that's it for basic Archicad tutorial how to change dimension unit.